Okay, this is going to be a quick test of my Wheelock VL1-24 remote light. Yes, a remote light, not a remote strobe. And I don't have the horn powered up because it's night and I don't want to disturb anyone. But I got the EST strobe from System Test 2 right there. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. This really surprised me when when I figured out it's a light. It looks to be a strobe, but it's not. It's an incandescent light running off 24 volts. Which is quite uncommon. And the only other non-ADA strobe device I have two more non-ADA strobe devices. I got the EHS right here. Shut up. I got the EHS right here, and there's my other non-ADA strobe. And also I got the 7002T, and these are my only non-ADA lens devices, you can say. See, that one's frosted. They call these frosted strobes. So I might use the 7002T soon, but I'm not ready for mechanical horns yet, as you can see. And I did test the EHS. It runs at 12 volts for some reason. But let's re-alarm it. It's an incandescent light, which really surprises me. It's pretty dim, but on camera it looks bright. And reset. And that was a quick test of the Wheelock VL1 remote light. So I'm Pyrotech 4051 signing out.